today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to import slides onto your Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the File tab up at the top left and select Import Slides. And then if you have other presentations saved on your account, you can select them here, or you can upload them if they're on your computer or a different Drive account or shared with you. And if you went back into recent, let's just locate our other presentation we've recently opened here, and we're going to select Insert. And this will walk us through the process of importing slides directly into this new presentation. Select what slides you want to import in, and then once you're done, select Import Slides, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.